welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. It was a particularly volatile day for markets today as they were waiting for the FOMC meet, which is scheduled for later today. Globally, all markets will be eyeing the commentary of that meet, and that is expected to be quite subdued this time around. Back home, our markets were volatile throughout the day, but despite that, in the last half hour of trade, there was a sharp spike up. As a result, the BSE Sensex finished very close to the 20,000 mark, up around 0.8% at 19,962, and the Nifty closed just shy of the 5,900 mark. If you look at sectoral indices, it was the rate sensitives which rallied. The BSE Realty Index was the biggest gainer, up 2%. Bankex also gained around 1.56%. There were no declining indices in trade. However, autos and metal stocks didn't do very well, so those indices finished at the bottom pretty much flat. Dr. Reddy's was in the news today thanks to another US FDA approval for a generic drug. That stock gained around 2.64% today. Also in news were gold loan companies, as RBI has tightened the loan disbursement guidelines further, which is going to impact these companies. So Muthoot Finance was down around 6.5%, and also Manappuram was down around 4.8% today. On the other hand, gold jewelry companies actually rallied despite an increase of import duty to 15%. So a PC Jewelers was up around 4.4% and TBZ was up nearly 3% today. Also in news was Jet Airways, as it seems reports are suggesting that it will have to extend its deadline of completing its stake sale to Etihad Airlines, as a lot of issues remain unresolved, and that stock was down around 2.5% today. MCX was another stock which fell in trade, down 7.5%, as there are show cause notices against some of its directors, and also FMC has proposed that going forward MCX should have only one board member from the financial technologies group. Financial technology stock, on the other hand, did not seem fazed by this news and was up around 6%. Coming back to the Sensex names, power stocks were at the top. Tata Power was up around 3.1% and NTPC gained around 3.3%. At the bottom of the pile, BHEL was seeing correction again today, the biggest loser, down around 4.7%, and Hero Motorcorp also saw some profit booking falling around 2.5% today. That's all from me. Markets will watch out for the FOMC meet and how that pans out. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.